Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to explain how to link your smartwatch to your iPhone using the Lefun Health app. To do this correctly, I recommend uninstalling the app if you already have it, so you can follow this tutorial step by step along with me. Also, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on before we begin. Notice, if you've tried connecting the watch to your phone's Bluetooth before, go to your Bluetooth settings and select Forget this device. It's crucial to do this before opening the app for the first time to guarantee the setup works. First, download the app from the App Store. Once it's ready, open it. The app will ask for several permissions. Follow exactly what I do. First, allow location and permission to find Bluetooth devices. For the tracking request, I'll select Ask App Not to Track. Then, allow notifications. Permissions might vary slightly, so don't worry if you don't see all of them. Make sure to accept the terms and conditions. Tap the device option, the watch icon, at the bottom right, then tap Add. You'll need to sign in using your Apple ID or a Google account. Once linked, a health access screen will appear. I'll select Don't Allow for now. Then, set up your profile name and personal data. Now, tap Add Device and wait for your watch to appear on the list. Tap to connect. Your iPhone will ask if you want to receive notifications. Make sure to select Allow. Notifications. Look for the Notifications or Messages option. By default, most apps are turned on. Go through the list and toggle off the ones you don't need. Custom Wallpaper. To set a custom watch face, go to Custom Dial, tap Select, then Replace Image, and go to your photo album. If it asks for access, I'll choose Limit Access. Select your favorite photo from your iPhone gallery, tap Done, and then install. Pro tip: make sure your watch has enough battery before installing the image. Once it's installed, you'll have your notifications configured and a custom wallpaper on your watch. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment. Cheers everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.